that shit 100 since the first day. I deserve it all.
What's good? What's your poppin' with ya? Thank you for clicking this video, and you already know by the title what we doing today. Period. I will be showing you guys how I did braids step by step. But yeah, so we just gonna get right into it because we can't waste no time. But don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn on the notification button because I will be posting, and that's just on period. So let's just get right into it, okay? So the first step is you get you a section, of course. Let me turn off the air conditioner real quick. Hold on. Miss Eki be freaking making so much noise. Okay, we're gonna get a section in the front because I actually section this off to do multiple ones. So yeah. Okay. Okay, you guys. You can just part your section, triangle, whatever. Okay? And then we're going to show you how to do braids real quick. So what you do, after you got your section, you comb it out or whatever, you take 3 sections, separate it 3 times. You got that? 3 times. So you twist it like that, and you twist it over. Then you twist it over like that. Keep twisting it, and you got you a braid coming together. Look. So I'm going to slow it down. You twist this over, twist this over, twist that over, twist that over. That's like twists, but you connecting the 2 twists together. So I'm going to let y'all see that. And that's just it. Like, that's how you do braids. Now we're going to do it. I'm going to show you guys one more time, and then I'm going to finish the whole head just because this is a video and we just need to get these time limits up so you guys can know how to do it. And I'm going to zoom in and everything when I'm braiding it. Yeah, just stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification button because I will be posting. That's just on period. So we're just going to get right into it. I'm going to show you guys one more time. And then I'm going to do the whole head. And that's just on period. Didn't I say that? Period. Once again, you part your section. I hope you guys can see. You part any section. Don't mind me using a pen, but okay. You part your section. See, this is a little long section, but you can still use it. Comb it out. Separate it 3 sections. 3. Can you see the 3? 1, 2, 3. So you twist this one over, then twist the middle part over, then the middle part over. Now when you braid, all you do is take the middle part and cross over each side like that. Cross over, cross over, cross over, cross over. Okay? Now that's how you do a braid. You take the middle part and cross over each side of the other sections you parted out of the 3 sections. Now you guys try it on your own, and I'm going to finish the whole head. We just going to get right into it. I'm going to show you guys again how to do it. Okay? Period. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna show you guys a close-up. So we done with this. I put it in actually rubber bands because the ends, it keep comes loose. So I'm gonna just put it in a rubber band so it can just curl up, so it could get like a little cute design. So just stay tuned, period. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification button, and that's just on period. That's just it. So now I'm going to show you guys up close again and how to do braids. Like, that's just crazy. So we're just gonna do it. This is a big braid right here. So what you do is take your section, separate it in 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. So first you grip all 3. After you grip all 3, you turn the middle towards one of the sides, and then you keep turning the middle the opposite way you went. So if I went this way, I'm gonna get the middle and go the opposite way, then get the middle and go the opposite way, like that. So if you guys can't see, I'm gonna braid it down a bit and show you guys. So what you do, grab the middle and turn it towards the opposite way you went before, and just keep doing the same thing like that. So it's just like a rhythm is all. So I'm going to show you guys one more time. You take your section. I'm going to show you guys twice. Okay. You got your section separated 3 times. 1, 2. Separating it into 3. You take the middle part and grip everything. You take the middle and you turn it towards any way you want. And you keep turning the middle part the opposite way you turned the before. So it's like, if I turn this way, I turn the middle part the opposite way again. Middle that way, then middle opposite way. Middle this way, middle opposite way. And you just continue and you'll have a braid. I'm going to show you guys one more time, and that's just going to be it for the video, period. Hope you guys learned something, and comment down below if I explained it right or if this helped in any way, please, because this is how I do it. So we're going to go ahead and explain it one more time. You got your section separated into 3. You grip all of them together, not together, but you grip them in your hand. You take the middle part, turn it any way you want. Turn it over one of the sides of the part that you separated. And then you keep taking your middle part, but going the opposite way that you went before. So it's this way, that way, this way, that way. You're just taking the middle part, you cross it over one of the sides that's out. This way, that way. And you just continue and you'll have a braid. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and just leave a like, comment, subscribe down below, turn on the notification button, because I will be posting every week, and that's just on period. So you guys, now this is the finishing, not the finishing look yet, but I will be back and show you guys, because I'm going to put it in a rubber band so it can curl up, swoop, and come back and do an outro, and that's just on period. Hey guys, this is the finishing look of me showing you guys how to braid. I hope you guys enjoyed, and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I know I said this whole video, but just go ahead and do it, because I will be posting and you can learn something from my channel. So yeah, so I hope you guys like the finishing look, and just thank you for watching. And period. Thank you for watching. Period. Oh, I'm feeling it. Okay, give it a little show. Yes, girl. Y'all see the curl ends that I was talking about? Yes. Period.